Please open your book page 202 and 203. So please write down today's date on your upper right. Today is 16th of December 2020. Okay, so this match, you have to look at the clock that here are given, then you just match the correct answer to this. Okay, children, I think this one you all can try to do by yourself. And now I'm just discuss this with you all. And please do this exercise as your homework. And now we're going to do this. Write the correct balance. Example, you have, this one is the total money that you have, it's 90 cents. And you want to buy a book that it costs 70 cents. So balance here got how many? So you can just use the total money that you have, 90 cents, isn't it? To cut the things you want to buy, 70 cents. Then you can just know the balance. And now we're going to count this. 90 cents minus 70 cents equal. So first you can write down the cents here. Then now we're going to count the ones first. 0 minus 0 equal. We don't need to count it because 0. Okay, we know it. This is 0. And now we're going to count the tens. 9 minus 7 equal. Minus, I show my sweet. So show my finger. 9. Cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 2. So I write down here 2. So the balance here is 20 cents. And now we're going to count this. You have 70 cents in totals and you want to buy sweet that it costs 40 cents. So you just use the total money that you have and cut the things you want to buy is 40 cents. Then you write down equal. So now we're going to count it. 0 minus 0 equal 0. No need to count it. And now we are going to count the tens. 7 minus 4 equal. Minus, I show my sweet. So show my finger. 7. Cut 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Left 3. So I write down here 3. And the balance here is 30 cents. Okay, so the balance here is 30 cents. $30. And here you have 95 cents in totals and you want to buy things that is cost 50 cents. So you just use the total money that you have to cut the things that you want to buy. Then you can get the balance. And now we're going to count it. First, you just count the ones first. 5 minus 0 equal minus, I show my sweet. So show my finger 5, cut 0. No need cut left 5. So I write down here 5. And now we're going to count the tens. 9 minus 5 equal. Minus, I show my sweet. So show my finger 9, cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 4. So I write down here 4. The answer is 45 cents. So we write down here 45 cents. Okay, so this last question. I think you all can try to do it by yourself. And now please look at the next page, page 203. And now we're going to do this add. First, you also have to write down today's date. Today is 16th of December 2020. Add. Add is plus, the symbol is like this. So plus is circle the biggest number. So now we are going to count the first question here. 15 cents plus 60 cents equal. First you have to count the ones here first. So 5 plus 0 equal. Plus is circle the biggest number. So circle the 5, put inside my head, show my finger 0. How many inside my head? 5. 5. So I write down here 5. And don't forget to write down cents. You have to follow it. If here is CENTS cents, you also have to follow CENTS cents, okay? And now we are going to count the tens. 1 plus 6 equal. Plus you circle the biggest number, so circle the 6. Put inside my head, show my finger 1. How many inside my head? 6, 7. So I write down here 7. The answer is 75 cents. And this two, you have to do it by yourself. And now we're going to do the subtract. 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 Subtract as minus. Minus, the symbol is like this. Look like this. So when you see the symbol is subtract is minus, you just show the total. You just show my sweet. So now we are going to do the first question here. 70 cents minus 25 cents equal. First we have to underline the ones, and now we are going to count the ones first. 0 minus 5 equal. Minus, I show my sweet, so show my finger 0, cut 5. I don't have any sweets, so I go borrow from my friend. My friend got how many? 7. And he can only give me 1, then he left 6. He gave me 1, I take 10. So I show my finger 10. 0, I put inside my head, cut 5. How many inside my head? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then he left 5. So I write down here 5. Write down cents, CENTS cents. And now we are going to count the tens. 6 minus 2 equal. Minus, I show my sweet, so show my finger 6, cut 2, 1, 2, left 4. So I write down here 4. The answer is 45 cents. And this two question, you also have to do it by yourself. And now we are going to do this. Answer the questions below. A box of chalk costs 85 cents. Pat pays with a, this one we just cross it out. We just write down here RM. Okay, RM1 note. How much change does she get? Okay, so here this one, this question is saying that Pat pays with a 1 RM note. Then a box of chalk costs 85 cents. So Pat buys a box of chalk. And this chalk, a box of chalk, it costs 85 cents. Then Pat pays RM1 notes. So we just do this like this. We just take the money that Pat pays, how many, then we just take it and cut the things that she buys. Okay, so she have how many? She has RM1 note. If I want to change in cents, change to cents, because here it gives you cents, isn't it? So you just change to cents. RM1, want to change RM1, change to cents. It equals how many cents? RM1 change to 100 cents. Okay, it equals to 100 cents. So use 100 cents minus 85 cents equal. And now we're going to do it. First, you just underline the ones. 0 minus 5 equal. Minus, I show my sweet, so show my finger 0, cut 5. So 0, I don't have enough sweets, so I go borrow from my friend. My friend also don't have any sweets, so how? He go borrow from his friend. His friend got how many? 1. Then his friend give him 1. Left 0. Write down 0. Then he give 1, I take 10, he take 10, isn't it? Then I want to borrow. So he got 10. He give me 1. He got 10, he give me 1. Left 9. So write down 9. He give me 1. I take 10. So show my finger 10. 0 I put inside my head. Cut 5. How many inside my head? 10. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 5. So I write down here 5 cents. CENTS, cents. And not yet finished. And now we are going to count the tens. 9 minus 8 equal. Minus I show my sweet. So show my finger 9. Cut 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left 1. And here, the 100 here is no anything, isn't it? 0 minus 0 equals 0. We don't need to write here. So equal 15 cents. So how much change does she get? She get 15 cents. Okay, she get 15 cents. And now the second one. Mary wants to buy a pencil box that costs 90 cents. She has only 55 cents. How much more money does she need to buy the pencil box? So Mary wants to buy a pencil box that costs 90 cents. She has only 55 cents. So the total money that Mary has is just 55 cents. But she wants to buy a pencil box. It costs 90 cents. So she don't have enough money, isn't it, to buy the pencil box. So how much more money does she need to buy the pencil box? So you can just use 90 cents. The item 90 cents. Then cut out the money that she has 55 cents equal how many cents? And now we're going to count this first. 0 minus 5 equal. Minus I show my sweet. So show my finger 0, cut 5. So I don't have enough sweet. So I go borrow from my friend. My friend got how many? 9. He give me 1. Then he left 8. Then he give 1. I take 10. So show my finger 10. 0 I put inside my head. Cut 5. So how many inside my head? 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 5. So I write down here 5. And now we're going to count the tens. 8 minus 5 equal. Minus I show my sweet. So show my finger 8. Cut 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left 3. So I write down here 3. The answer is 35 cents. So 35 CENTS cents. So she need 35 cents more to buy the pencil box that she want. And now we're going to look at this. Bill got on the bus at 7 a.m. He arrived at the bus stop near his school at 8 a.m. How long was he on the bus? So here Bill got on the bus at 7 a.m. and he arrived at school 8 a.m. So how long was he on the bus? So we just used the time that he arrived, 8 a.m. to cut he got on the bus, the time that he got on the bus, then we can know how long that he was on the bus. Okay, so now we're going to count it. This is time, so this is different. Okay, so write down AM. AM is at the morning, so point, write down here, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. We don't need to count it because 0 is equal 0. And now we're going to count this. 8 minus 7 equal. Minus, I show my sweet. So show my finger 8, cut 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Left 1. So no need to write AM because this one just want to know how long that he was on the bus. So 1 hour. So you just write down here 1 hour. Okay, so these are very confusing, so you can just write it down.